Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Replies problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down, and here you will find apps, and then click apps again and then go to Fritz. Now first stop it and go to storage, clear cache and go back, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, there is another method. You can just restart your phone, and this may help you to fix your problem. Just click restart, or you can turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that's it. Please, if you like this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.